Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter microorganisms. Your pre-midterm exams finished. So let's start the studies again with the new chapter microorganism. So if a small amount of curd is added to the milk, the whole milk turns into curd slowly. And if we keep fruit and vegetables for long time, then we see they start decaying and sometimes suddenly we fall ill. And why this all happens? This happens because of the microorganisms. Microorganisms like protozoa, bacteria, virus, algae, fungi, etc. These are called microorganisms. And you know that in our earth there are different types of living organisms like elephant, dog, whale fish, cat, bird, human beings, and different type of lizards that we can see with our naked eyes. All these can be seen with our naked eyes. So these are called macroorganisms. But these are not only ones in the living world. There is another world of microorganisms which cannot be seen with our naked eyes, but their presence is felt. Such organisms can be seen only through a microscope, so we call them microorganisms or microbes. So because we see them only with the microscope, so that's why they are called microorganism or microbes. See, they are very, very, very tiny or very, very small. So now, where do we find microorganisms? You will surprise to know that microorganisms are present everywhere surrounding us. They present in soil, they present in air, water, even our skin also having microorganism. Our tongue is having millions of microorganism. Teeth also having microorganism. Even inside our body, our stomach also having what? Microorganisms. So they found everywhere. Now, see, like the macroorganisms that we can see with our naked eyes, they present in different size and different shape. Like the giraffe is the tallest one, then whale heaviest, then elephant, then a cat, and a small ant. So macroorganisms are present in different size and different shape. Similarly, the microorganisms are also present in different size and different shapes, and they are million, even trillions of microorganisms are present. And the scientists they have divided them into 5 categories, and these what? Bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and virus. So this is what? Algae. Then fungi. Then this one is bacteria, and this is protozoas, and this one is what? Virus. Okay. So these are the kind of microorganisms. Let's do one activity. For this activity, we need collected water from pond or anywhere. So take some amount of water and few drops take on a glass slide, and we see the water inside the microscope. Then we will find there are different types of microorganisms. They are having different shape. Some are longitudinal, some are round in shape, some are like a disc shape, some are like the thread, long thread like a shape. So they are having different size and shape. Okay. So they are having different size and shape. Okay. So our today's class, I'm finishing here. And about in detail about the microorganisms we will do in our next class. Thank you.